Hey everybody. So we have a fun update to our Chrome extension. So on Rize, we updated the Chrome extension so we have this nice little UI. And a big request that we get a lot is letting Rize identify different Chrome profiles. So by default, we can't access the name of the Chrome profile, or even if you're in a different Chrome profile. So we actually added this little option here where you can now install Rize, the extension on each Chrome profile, and you can add a custom keyword. So like this works great if you have a personal Chrome profile and a work, or if you have a bunch of Chrome profiles with different clients, and then you can add, a keyword here, right? This keyword gets appended to the window title. So these can be different for each Chrome profile, which is really nice. So you can have different Chrome profiles that gets into the window title, and then Rize can use that for auto-categorization, whether that be for app and website or for tagging things towards clients, projects, and tasks. So yeah, thought this would be a nice little update. Let us know what you think. Thanks so much.